Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
And today we're going to talk about one of the stronger knots in sailing called the constrictor knot. You can use the constrictor knot to whip the bitter end of a line, repair a broken tiller, clamp a patch over a cracked engine hose, or make a secure lashing for a deck-stowed dinghy or life raft. In illustration 1, we start the constrictor knot much like the clove hitch. Pass the standing part over the rail and form a hitch over the standing part. In illustration number 2, pass the bitter end over the standing part as shown. In illustration 3, thread the bitter end beneath the lower loop on the right side and the upper loop on the right side. Then you want to pull on the bitter end and the standing part at the same time to make the knot tight, secure, and compact. Look on the back side of the knot and it should look like our illustration on the right side. Notice how you have two bights of line parallel to each other side by side. This safe, secure, and compact knot will serve you well wherever in the world you choose to sail.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.